Hi everyone. Today we're exploring Java strings, simple, powerful, and used everywhere in Java. Let's get started. String is a class in the java.lang package. It is used to store, process, and manipulate text data in Java. One important feature of string is that it is immutable. Once a string is created, its content cannot be changed. Now let's try it out in code. Open VS Code or any Java editor you like, and create a new file named stringpractice.java. We'll write all our code there step by step. Or, if you prefer copy-pasting, the full code is linked in the description. Inside that file, let's declare two strings using two different ways. First, by direct assignment. String s1 equals hello. Second, by using the new keyword. String s2 equals new string, hello. Then, you can print them out using system.out.println. You'll see that both print the same result, the word hello, even though they were created differently. Now let's move on to some practical situations where string methods are really useful. First, let's say you want to remove extra spaces from a user's input. You can use the trim method. This removes spaces from the beginning and the end of the string. Next, if you want to check whether a string is empty, you can use the isEmpty method. Suppose you need to change the case of a string. Use toUpperCase or toLowerCase. To check if a string contains a keyword, use contains. You can also split a string into parts using split. This splits the string into an array of languages. In Java, to compare the content of two strings, you should use the equals method, not the equals operator. Now, a equals b will return false because they are different objects, but a dot equals b will return true because their content is the same. If you want to compare strings without caring about uppercase or lowercase, use equals ignore case. Next, let's look at formatting strings, which is useful for printing nicely formatted output. This gives you more control over alignment, decimal places, and much more. So in summary, Java provides powerful string methods for trimming, checking, splitting, comparing, and formatting text, all of which are extremely useful in practical applications. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.